Plumbing and Heating Company in Edmonton. Ladies and gentlemen, that award goes to Acclaimed Furnace Cleaning, Heating, and Cooling.
Thank you so much, everybody. I just can't believe this is happening to us. We've just celebrated our 20th anniversary here this year. And, we couldn't have done it without so many great people. Tam, I just want to thank more than anybody our amazing team that we have back home, from our office staff to our amazing salespeople to the unbelievable field technicians doing what they do, keep everybody's comfortable homes, heating, cooling, everything we can to keep it comfortable at home. But more than anything, we could not have received this prestigious award without our customers. Been with us for 20 years, and we just couldn't have done it without them. So thank you so much to everybody for the award and everything that we've achieved. Thank you very much.
And with me is Acclaimed Heating, Cooling, and Furnace Air Cleaning. Did I get that right?
Pretty close.
Oh, pretty close. A top air conditioning and heating company in Edmonton. And I've got the owner, Tammy, and Tammy's partner,
Kevin.
So what has been the secret to your success?
I think the secret to our success has been our amazing team that we've had for 20 years now. We just celebrated our 20th anniversary. Having the people in the office so fabulous, having the technicians that are so great at what they do in their field, having our salesmen so wonderful. It's the whole team that makes such a successful company, and it's been that way from the start.
Any air quality tips for the upcoming winter?
Well, the air quality tips for the winter are make sure that your furnace is clean, it's reliable, it's efficient, making sure that your family is healthy and totally safe all winter long.
Well, thank you guys so much, and congratulations.